Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna show you the tool called Timeshift. So normally if you are changing your Linux every time or you are trying to customize the uh, Linux, right? So you might break a system. So in order to restore the file, so Timeshift is used. So this tool is very useful. So let me show you how to install this uh, tool. So uh, you could just do apt plus time save. Then it will show the result, right? So we wanna install this one. So you can do sudo apt get install time save. So let me just use my password for that. So I have already installed it. So it should show I already installed it. So I could just do Control L, then let's exit it, then come over here and do time shift, right? So let me just do uh, time shift. Then you got to be a root user. Then let's make it big screen. So I have already used it. So normally if you just do time shift, then it will show you at this. So you want to type rs sync rsync. So and it will show you where it wanna save. So you have to take into consideration that it does not use NTFS and FAT file for this. So if I try to save over here, it does select device does not have a Linux partition. So in order to have a Linux partition, it should have a type ext4. So NTFS and FAT32 is supported on the Windows, which is very slow. That is why you need to have a external hard drive which has the partition of Linux. So after doing this much, right, you got to select this partition. So if you do use the root file, so suppose your hard disk got damaged, so you cannot restore the file, so it's better you use the external drive. So then you can use a daily backup, right? It's like a virtual box. It uses the snapshot and we have to restore it. So now there is a user section. So from what I have learned is this root as well as this home folder, it's better not to keep it because you are making change. Suppose you are using a snapshot, so it's gonna use, if you try to use that snapshot to restore it, it will just delete the current file and you have to uh, cut your losses. So if you want to, then you can include it, right? You can include only hidden file because there might be a browser history or another history like config file. If you want to change it or if you want to tweak it, or it may break, so it's better not to use it. So it's up to you. So for me it's not useful, and it will exclude the partition home, go and all that. And here is our date format, and this is how it saves. So let's go back, right? Okay, let's do okay. So now we are, this is my snapshot. So it will take a lot of space. So let me just browse the file. So it just saves boot div etc home and all the file. This is the snapshot. So this is the location for it. So thank you guys.